I was like, what? 3 घंटा को exam? There must be some mistake. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, it's kind of dark. Does that make any difference? I don't think so. Wait. So when I was just trying to vlog, I got a phone call saying, "Hello ma'am, we have got your parcel from Daraz. Can you please come downstairs?" And I was like, okay. And guess what I got? I was not expecting it to be today. Well, I was expecting it to arrive tomorrow, but here it is today. So let's unbox. I was subscribe to my channel. 1, 2, 3. Woo! So actually I wanted to buy this bag from a long time, and I always thought to myself कि म यो बोकेर कहाँ जान्छु यो bag बोकेर न, because it's a trekking bag. And well, I also want to go to trekking, but I don't have any plans. Okay. Then again, thought, because I always get weird thoughts, weird things, weird ideas during my exams. Well, have I told you that my exams are going on for 7th semester, and just today I gave my second last exam, and I have my last exam of 7th semester a day after tomorrow, and I think I'll vlog till then. Let's see. So whatever. So don't share. Tell me it's a bit. What I'm crying for, I could be you. Oh, I need to set this up. Ooh. Huh? Oh. This goes. And then the strap. Oh. I did it. Now you carry it like this. And this. You're done. And you do like Saturday divorce. Slide besties. Cake hello guys. Say hi. Happy birthday Anubhav. Hi. What was your birthday? मैं बैग कस तो था. Shaking करना जानता. Guys, guess करो. I need to study now because I only have 1 day gap for my last exam. Why do I talk in gibberish language? I don't even know how to talk. And the fact that I'm studying in my bed, I might sleep anytime because I'm kind of sleepy, because I woke up early today as I had my exams. I woke up early, I revised, I ate, I left for my exam. Then we had 3 hours of exam, and I got to know after 1 hour and 45 minutes. Because generally 30 marks ko exam is of 2 hours, and today we had 30 marks ko exam. And as a normal human being, I thought it was 2 घण्टा को exam, because अहिलेसम्म म 7th सेमेस्टरसम्म मैले एक्जाम दिएँ. एभ्री टाइम 30 मार्क्सको एक्जाम इज 2 घण्टाको एक्जाम, 40 मार्क्सको एक्जाम इज 2 घण्टाको एक्जाम, 45 मार्क्सको एक्जाम इज 3 घण्टाको एक्जाम, एन्ड 60 मार्क्सको एक्जाम इज 3 घण्टाको एक्जाम होइन. अनि त्यसपछि आज पनि के थियो, आज हाम्रो 30 मार्क्सको एक्जाम थियो. एन्ड आई गट टु नो द्याट आजको एक्जाम 30 मार्क्सको हो भनेर आफ्टर 1 hour and about 50 minutes when I was just struggling to finish things, and somebody shouted, "Sorry, Sachi, 3 घण्टाको एक्जाम हो र" भनेर. I was like, what? 3 घण्टाको एक्जाम? There must be some mistake. मैले पास क्वेसन हेरेँ, तर मैले पास क्वेसनमा मैले टाइम हेरेन नि त, because there was a lot to complete, there was a lot to write, and I thought Okay, I know it was my mistake that मैले सुरुमा हेरेन. It was 3 घण्टाको exam, but it was good. My exam was good today. It was okay actually, because if I knew पहिले मलाई थाहा हुन्थ्यो भने मैले आनन्दले सोची गफ हान्थ्यो होला, बट मैले हतारमा गफ हाने. त्यही हो कुरो. That's the difference. Now we're going to study, because now we have 60 marks co exam, which is for 3 hours, and there is no viva, and that's the thing I'm glad about. Because viva, oh my god, you give exam on this was you give viva. It's very mind. Well, that was a good yapping session. I wanted to yap about this thing. Everybody knows it. Now, enough yapping. I need to study. But I'm already sleepy. Well, I'll try to study for at least an hour, and let's see how I finish everything tomorrow. I might not vlog tomorrow because I'll be in so much pressure. Oh my god. Let's study. Hi, it's Friday, 13th September, and I'm ready to go to give my exam. My last exam of bachelor's, my last exam of 7th semester, my last exam of BSc forestry. And well, let's go. I'll be revising from my phone. Hospitals and funerals. Oh my sky looks so pretty. How was the exam?
कस्तो राम्रो भयो एक्जाम.
एकदम राम्रो भयो.
मार्क्स चाहिँ पक्का 24-35 आउँछ होला. फुल मार्क्स नभन है. 2 आउँछ.
कस्तो भयो एक्जाम?
ठिकै भयो, जे पाए त्यही लेख्दैछु.
सक्यो अब.
जति लेख्छु के?
सक्यो अब फरेस्ट्री.
सक्यो यार, अब त के गर्ने पनि बेरोजगार भएर हिँड्नुपर्छ. गोरो बनाए यस्तो हेर त एक्जाम पढ्दा डार्क सर्कल हेर त पुरै अलि एडिट गर मेरो. एडिट गरेर त्यहाँ
गर्दिन. को एक्जाम कस्तो भयो?
ठिकै भइरहेछ अहिलेसम्म त.
सन्देह भाइको कस्तो भयो?
मेरो ठिकै भयो.
तिम्रो कस्तो भयो?
भ्लगमा आउने हो तिमीहरू.
प्रतीक दाइको कस्तो भयो?
यो इन्स्टाग्राममा आउने हो कि युट्युब इन्स्टाग्राम सबैमा सुन्ने छ है.
प्रतिको हात सुन्ने अरे.
हाम्रो नि हात सुनिन्छ अलिक सानो
कस्तो बने एक्जाम?
एक्जाम जस्तो होस्, एक्जाम सक्यो आनन्द भयो.
अब त फरेस्ट्रीको ब्याचलर्सको एक्जामै सकियो. हाउ डु यु फिल?
फिलिङ ह्याप्पी पढाइको स्ट्रेस वाज बेटर देन अब लाइफको स्ट्रेस. एक्जाम दिन पढ्न पर्दैन, तर सबसे धेरै टेन्सन अब आउँदैछ के कसरी रिसर्च गर्ने हो.
केमा गर्छौ पूजा रिसर्च?
थाहा छैन यार.
कस्तो भयो एक्जाम?
ठिकै भयो.
मेरो पनि राम्रो भयो. से समथिङ. बाई पूजा.
फाइनली एक्जाम सक्यो गाइस. अब ब्याचलर सक्यो, लाइफको स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट.
हाउ डु यु फिल कि तिम्रो अब ब्याचलरको एक्जाम सकियो?
म त डिप्रेस जान लागिसक्यो. ब्याचलरपछि के गर्ने हो भनेर उता फरेस्ट्री पढेछ.
अबदेखि आउनु पर्दैन.
त्यो चाहिँ आनन्द छ. हेलो लतिका.
हाई. सो मेरो एक्जाम भन्नु पर्दाखेरि इट वाज ओभरअल एभरेज. एभरेज भन्दा पनि अलिअलि मोर देन एभरेज मेबी, बट आई डोन्ट नो. ठिकै गरेँ मैले. गर्ने जति गरेँ, सके जति गरेँ.
एक्जामलाई मिस गर्छौ कि नै तिमीले?
मेबी नो.
अनि ब्याचलरपछि के गर्ने प्लान छ त?
आई डोन्ट नो.